Want to stop Steam Client WebHelper from constantly running in the background? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to cut it down and keep Steam lighter. First, open Steam and log into your account if you're not already signed in. In the top left corner, click on Steam, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, select Interface on the left sidebar to access WebHelper-related options. Here, disable any options that automatically open extra windows, like Start Steam in Big Picture mode or similar, to reduce WebHelper usage. Click OK to save your changes before closing the settings window. Next, we'll add a launch option that tells Steam to use fewer WebHelper processes. Close Steam completely by clicking Steam in the top left, then Exit. Make sure it's gone from the system tray too. Now, right-click your Steam shortcut on the desktop or taskbar and open Properties. Under the Shortcut tab, find the target box. At the very end of that line, add a space, then type -no browser +sign open. Click Apply, then OK. This tells Steam not to load its full embedded browser, which helps keep WebHelper from running in the background as much. Reopen Steam and use it normally. With these settings and launch options, Steam Client WebHelper should run less and stay out of your way.